Hello, my name is Alex. Over the past period, we have been working hard on innovations in the Calex Smart app, and we are pleased to announce that we have now added dark mode. In this video, I'm going to explain how to apply dark mode in your Calex Smart app. Open your Calex Smart app. Then choose the Me option at the bottom right of the screen, and then the Settings option at the top right. In this screen, go to the dark mode option. Here you have three choices. First option, System. Choose this option to link dark mode to your phone system setting. Second option, Normal mode. Choose this option to activate the normal mode permanently. The app then always remains in normal mode even if your phone switches to dark mode. Last option, Dark mode. Choose this option to activate the dark mode permanently. The app then always remains in dark mode even if your phone switches to normal mode. I hope with this video I was able to give you more clarity on how to set the dark mode in your Calex Smart app. Hope to see you back at the next instructional video.